Hi friend, Marian here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let me share with you our Grand Galisano Hall in Cebu. Simple lang po yung haul natin sa school supplies while going around. So, ano ba yung nabili natin sa Gaisano for our craft? So, magagamitin natin sa ating drawings, doodling. Pumili tayo ng mga different shapes of rulers. Merong triangle, 24 pesos lang. May triangle. May protractor din yata siya. Or half circle ba yan? Kasi you can make your doodling. So, nakita natin yung isa na panood natin is mga paper clips. So, you can also use rulers. Pag dudugtungin natin yung shape, and then we will make doodling art sa color natin. Ayan, meron tayong half protractor, yan, triangle, and rectangle. Yan. So, gagamitin natin yan sa ating art doodling, yung ating mga different shapes. So, again, we bought it from Cebu. Grand Gaisano Mall of Cebu. Nakabalik na po tayo. We're now here in Bulacan. Yan. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.